What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope everyone's having a great day. You pull your chainsaws out for the winter and now it won't start. You left gas in it, now it won't start, or it starts but it won't throttle up. You try adjusting it and it still won't run right. I'm going to show you how to replace the carburetor on this STHIL MS 251 chainsaw. Alright guys, now we're back. We're going to get the cover moved off of the chainsaw so that we can try to get this carburetor taken off and put back on. This job, guys, probably took me probably about 30 minutes. Like I said, you just want to kind of take your time. Where you see me point at, the bolts that are down in there inside the cover, they're 8mm bolts. So I'm just using my electric impact to take them out. So we're going to get them out, get this front plate off, and get this carburetor replaced. Sorry to interrupt your video, but I came in to say if you're getting great content, if you're getting good knowledge out of the video, consider liking, commenting, and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Here's YouTube taking my stuff further and further out to help my YouTube channel continue to grow. Get back to the video. All right, now you see me about to get ready to remove the choke. The choke sits down in a little groove. You want to kind of remove that and finesse it out of the carburetor. Like I said, then you right now I'm just removing those plastic bushings. You just kind of push them to the side. The cover has ears on the end that sits down in these little plastic bushings. You just put them to the side. You can kind of finesse them to come out. That way you can remove the cover totally. You can use, I'm using some pliers, but you can use a flathead screwdriver. It works just as well, probably better than what I'm doing. And you see me just laying that thing to the side. And we're going to get this carburetor taken off. You see right here, when I take this line out, you see a lot of few kind of dispensers about of it. Now, if I had to tuck the cap off of it and let some of that air pressure off, it would have never done that. But you know, just some practice, safe to practice. Just kind of loosen up on the cap. If you see me right here, I'm comparing the two carburetors, just making sure both carburetors are identical. You'll be surprised that you could, you know, a lot of these equipment, you know, they might look the same, but a lot of times the carburetor are different. They look different, so you just kind of want to eyeball them and make sure. You see me pouring back here at the back, I'm just pouring back here to show you that that wire sits in a groove at the back. You just want to make sure you get that back in how it's supposed to be, so you won't have any kinks or anything when you go to put your cover back on. I'm just reversing everything that I've done. Another thing, guys, if you're not sure, when you take someone apart, if you're not sure about it, as I say in a lot of my videos, you might want to video it. Take a picture of it, how it looks before you take it apart. That way, when you get ready to put it back together, you won't have any kind of misunderstanding. You won't have to second guess yourself. You won't have to kind of go look it up. You would kind of know. So just kind of take a picture or a video and save it in your phone. So when you get ready to put this thing back together, or any small injury, just anything in life that you're working on, if you're not sure about it, just always take a picture or a video of it, and that way you won't be second and guessing yourself when putting it back together. All right, guys, putting the choke back on now. Like I say, you just want to kind of remember how you tuck the choke out so you can put it back in the same exact way, and it sits down in this little fin. It has to be sitting in a certain way in order for it to work properly. So just kind of pay attention to that. All right, now guys, that we got everything kind of put back together on the top end for the most part, we're going to go ahead and change this fuel filter out to get it out the way. Like I said, guys, anytime I change the carburetor on it, I always change the fuel filter. Because first of all, if the carburetor stopped up and it won't run right because of the carburetor, ain't no telling what's in the fuel or what has gotten in the line or what has gotten in the fuel to cause that problem. So, it's just best to always change your fuel filter out. And once again, check your fuel line to make sure it's not dry rotted or cracked or anything or has holes in it. Right now, I'm just fishing to hook that keeper back up that's on the end of the fuel cap to keep it from falling off the tank. And we're going to get this thing fueled up so we can get this thing crunk up. This machine crunk up ran great. Like I said, it didn't take much to fix this. Only thing I really did, I replaced the carburetor and I put a fuel filter on it, and it ran just as it should. I did take the air filter and blow it out. I did take the secondary part of the air filter and clean it out as well. And this air filter lasts a very long time. These are some pretty expensive air filters, so you just kind of want to just keep them clean and clean it up as necessary, and it should be good to go. All right, guys. So once again, I want to thank you for watching the video. If you like the content you're seeing, like, comment, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Let me know what problems you have in the comment with your chainsaws. Maybe I have experienced that problem. We can get it fixed. Once again, thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace.